Now that we covered a bit more the differences between data connectors in the enterprise and in SMB's segments, what I want to do now is to see where this space could be heading in the short term and to ask a couple of questions. It's probably in this segment that the short-term trends are the clearer, as they are driven by the operationalization of the data warehouse. Now that the data team has set up a data warehouse, the other departments want a piece of it. In that perspective, I have two questions that I'm thinking about. First, what are the functions and the areas at the data warehouse level that will be operationalized next? The first immediate category of software emerging in that perspective are reverse ETLs. But the big question are, what are the following interesting approaches that will emerge, if there's any? My second question is around the potential tensions that could appear between the data analyst team, which sets up the data warehouse, and the other departments, whether it's marketing, product, or customer support, who also want to benefit from it now. At the end of the day, who are going to be the gatekeepers and how the different team will deal with its management. On the small to medium-sized businesses side, I believe that we might be slightly earlier in a new tech adoption cycle. In that perspective, I have two main scenarios in mind. The first scenario is a democratization of data warehouse and ETL tech for SMBs, maybe a new breed of products similar to enterprise ETLs but built specifically for SMBs will emerge. They'll be easier to set up and use, and still based on a centralized model where all data is aggregated in one place. The second scenario is the decentralized one. Maybe the combo of a single data warehouse with a stack of software on top of it is not adapted to the SMB needs, and we'll continue to see what we see today with data connectors, which value is to synchronize data between the various systems of records of a company. In any case, if you have any thoughts about these different questions and scenarios, don't hesitate to share them with me. I'm super happy to take different inputs to form a clearer opinion on my side.